Welcome to Future Automation, guys. Today, Appium Android iOS Mobile Automation Part 12. Today, I will be showing you guys how to more organize automation test iOS framework. I think we have to convert it slowly a framework because we will be add lot of test cases. For before adding the test cases, I have to organize. I have to show you guys how to organize the framework structure. Let's do it. So last video I show you how to call the test case from different class and extend the skill base. So now you see here we calling the driver in the method level, inside the method level, which is not right, first of all, and we calling the before test. I mean, before is the before test. If you go inside the before test basically opening the iOS driver, who is the path of the UI catalog, and just pop up this. So now which is not good, we calling the inside the test case. So what you have to do, first we want to make our driver separate from the method level. So you can just copy this one for guys, copy and go over here and paste it and close it here, and you can say here, I'm gonna put the private this. Okay, so now this part we no need here anymore. So now, so over here you see the driver is not initiated. Okay, so it will be okay, just hold on guys. So now before that we're gonna take out this. So we gonna take out this from here. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna say before test. Okay, we're using the TestNG here. We're gonna say before test. I'm gonna say public void. I'm gonna give the name init, whatever suitable name you guys you want, you can do it. Init, and I want to take inside this, and I want to get out this. Okay, and if you import test, why is not showing? Let's see why. Why? What is this driver? It should be create a variable. So if I want that, so what mistake I did here? What is the problem here? Okay, I found that the problem is we're missing the R here. Okay, so done, and over here I say auto declaration because we have. So now basically we just make this is global. We don't put in the inside the method level, which is not local. So what I said the private iOS driver, we can call them now. I said driver equal before test, which is the open the driver and open the UI catalog, and this is the test, whatever test you used to have. Now what we have to do, after test finish, we want to close our UI catalog. So in this case, what to say, after test, and he said public void and guys, whatever name you guys want. I don't want to be conservative to you have to break down the rules. You cannot be stay inside the rules. This is the big problem. You just play with it and make your own rules. Sometimes the coding have rules, even though you cannot break the coding rules. but it's still like you have to play, you have to make your own way. You cannot just follow people, whatever people are doing, and just try to do it, and something might be will be new, and other people will like it, and they will be start using it. So now I'm going to use it. Now I'm going to say driver dot close. No, we cannot use the close. I mean, we can quit because this is driver. We don't want to close the driver, and Appium don't support it. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna driver dot quit. I mean, we want to driver quit the UI catalog. That's we want. So if I put the driver dot close, let me put the close first. Let me see what happened. Okay, if I say dot close, just to show the proof what's can happen. So now if I say close and now go open the Appium, it's opening. Yeah, Appium is open, and we see the start. So now I have to run the test. So if I say run the test, you'll see here the iOS is opening. iOS opening here. It's a little bit take time, guys. I mean, in local, when you run the local, it cannot be super fast, and it's free version, guys. So be patient. We see over here our catalog is opening. I go boom, and now catalog is open. Now we'll be click the action sheet button. After I click it, they're gonna verify OK and cancel, and you will be see this UI catalog is not closing. So if you go our test, if you go test, it's failed and method is not proof passing. So over here, they say the method is not implemented. So driver.close is not supporting. So what we can do, we can over here driver.quit. So if I run now, what will be happen? So now if I run now, what will be happen? Let's see what happened. Run TestNG test. Go to the take a look, guys. So our iOS driver didn't close. The opening the new one, new session. In next video, I will be show you how to close the iOS simulator tool. But now, guys, run slowly, learn also slowly, follow the step by step, and try to practice your own test cases, and you will find out something new. If you have any problem, just feel free to comment, ask me question. I will try to help, guys. And there's a lot of resource in the blog. In the now you see the action.sheet. They will be click here and OK cancel, and then app is closed. So quit is work actually. So now that's what we want, that close. What happened next time when you run the video, run the test, they will be start from here again. See, our drive also closed. That is the things we want. So now if you go our test, okay, passed, and if you go result and you see this properly, our test is passed. So now what did you learn today? We learned how to separate the driver from the method level, and we know how to call the before test, which is the before test we want to open our UI catalog. We make separated, and also we separate our test cases, and also after test we want to quit our driver. So that's happened. So now let's do it one more time. So really test again. I want to show you guys. So if I run test again, Just look at closely. When you run test again, I should be there will be open a simulator. iOS mobile app testing by coding wise is very easy. I told you, just problem is a configuration. So learn how to do it configuration properly, because you're going to face a lot of problem. Sometimes you will see the Xcode is updated but Appium is not updated. Our company out there, all the company, they are updated with always Xcode. So APL is not always supporting the vice versa with Xcode. That's the problem. So now this is the we have to figure out. Now see our WebDriver open and close it. See, the quit is working. So that's the supporting quit. So now with our test is pass and result. So that's it for today, guys. And please tune future activation. Feel free to like button, click the like button, and follow the step by step. If you have any problem, please feel free to comment in the YouTube comment section, and I will be there to answer it. And see you for next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.